Understanding 7. Zip compression.
7-Zip is a popular free tool for compressing files. It supports various formats and offers advanced settings to shrink file sizes. Knowing how to choose the right options can help you save disk space and make file transfers faster. In this guide, we'll explore the best compression settings to get the smallest files possible with 7-Zip.
Choosing the best compression format.
For maximum file size reduction in 7-Zip, select the 7Z format. It usually provides better compression than zip or other formats. The 7Z format supports advanced algorithms like LZMA and LZMA2, which can further reduce file sizes, especially when working with large or varied files.
Selecting compression level and method.
Set the compression level to Ultra for the smallest file size. For the compression method, use LZMA2 if possible. LZMA2 generally offers better speed and efficiency, especially for modern multi-core processors. Keep in mind that higher compression levels may take more time to process, but result in smaller files.
Adjusting dictionary size and word size.
Increase the dictionary size for greater compression, but make sure your system has enough RAM to handle it. For most users, a dictionary size of 64 megabytes or 128 megabytes is a good balance. The word size can be set higher, such as 64, for slightly better compression, especially for text or database files.
Additional tips for reducing file size.
If you're compressing many small files, consider enabling solid block mode by checking the Solid Archive option. This allows 7-Zip to compress similar files together and improve overall size reduction. Also, avoid encrypting file names unless needed, as encryption can slightly increase file size.
Summary: achieving the best results.
To get the best compression in 7-Zip, use the 7Z format with Ultra compression, the LZMA2 method, a large dictionary, and solid block mode for groups of files. Adjust settings depending on your system's memory and the types of files you're compressing, and you'll consistently achieve smaller, more manageable archives.